getting ready or something. Yeah. In the shade. It's steaming. This is where we're going to try to have lunch today. Rainforest Cafe. Tanner likes it. I don't think so. There we go. We're in the elephant line. Yo, it's nice and cool in here today.
Ticket for the name of your party.
There you go.
Hang out here for me. It'll be one moment.
All right. Okay, right now she said wait right here. We can totally look at the gift shop in a minute.
Some slugs.
They might, yeah.
You gotta go buy them. Look.
I don't know if I have enough money to buy all of them if there's a billion.
No, not a billion.
Okay.
No, usually about 7 of them usually.
Oh, well, that's fine then.
7 packs usually.
What? Okay, what if there's 7 packs and they're $100 each? Can I get them?
No.
Oh, okay.
That would be super cheap that way. No, it'd be super cheaply made. If
They have fish in theirs here.
And they're selling them $100, they would be doing that because they're very cheaply made and I do not want slugs that fall apart.
This is the second Rainforest Cafe I had ever gone to. The first one was at Animal Kingdom.
Oh, if I could go look at the gift shop now.
In just a minute, babe, we can. Let's have our dinner, our lunch first. No, they're taking us right now.
Like, no.
Jennifer? Yes.
I'm the fat.
So nice in here. It makes me want to just relax. Oh, we're right by the elephants. Storm is over now. It's even raining, Tanner. Do you see it raining? The rainforest. I think we have to walk through the cave to go to the bathroom. Under that big dragonfly. Oh, there's a gorilla coming up over there. I've never known there was a cave. Nice. I like it down here. It's quieter. Oops, be careful. We're going to the bathroom. You scared him. Yeah.
Oh, no, I did.
Because he wasn't expecting you to go boo.
Alright.
Boo. Did I scare you? We're over here. Here. You okay?
No.
What's the matter? So many storms. It's starting to rain. Ooh, a lemon. I like it. All right, into the gift shop. Maybe you think they're back here, but they are not. Oh, look at those Crocs. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How cute. It's a pig pen. And some play dirt. You play in it. I like things in here. Okay, anything on here? This is a... Sometimes they have them in here on sale. Fast for me now. Look at that backpack. Look, Tanner, look at this backpack. Look, a lion one.
I am not.
One from America. I don't want one from America. I want from America.
Maybe over there by Tracy Tree. Oh, I like that meerkat shirt. Oh, look at the emu. Is that an emu right here?
Yeah.
I like that shirt. I always make friends with emus. Grandmother Willow, is that you? Oh, it's such a mess. Oh, everything's so horrible. I like these elephants. Look, the days of Christmas. Mickey's Pantry.
They go hang around Mickey's Pantry, I think.
Never been in Mickey's Pantry before. Oh, it's a twist bottle opener magnet. That's nice. Oh, what are you doing? I want to see you dance. We'll do it again. There you go. Woo! Woo! We're coming back to get this.
My brother threw his fishing rod in the lake. I did that.
Do you know where guest relations is?
It's gonna be right past Zara. Make
Uh-huh.
a left.
Hey Tanner, look up here. Look up. Aren't they as cute?
I bet you're happy that I'm playing one of the love bugs because I'm feeling every love bug.
That's what he's going around doing. Are you happy that he's doing that?
When I was little, I pulled them apart. So I did the same thing.
Ew! Pulling them apart.
It's the same thing as Smash, you know?
Kills them. I just thought it was fun.
Yeah.